In a recent and seismic leap in military technology, Russia has unveiled the awe-inspiring Avangard Hypersonic Missiles, a revelation that has sent shockwaves reverberating across the global stage. Picture this: intercontinental ballistic missiles so swift and agile that they redefine the very notion of defense, capable of outmaneuvering any existing system with a precision and unpredictability that challenges the boundaries of conventional warfare. These hypersonic marvels, known for speeds that defy comprehension, are not just instruments of destruction. They represent a paradigm shift in the dynamics of modern conflict. As the world grapples with the implications of this groundbreaking revelation, the stage is set for a new era of military strategy. The Avangard hypersonic missiles introduce an unprecedented level of capability, raising a crucial question. Could the deployment of these cutting-edge weapons be a sign of World War III? In this episode, we'll comprehensively explore the Avangard hypersonic missiles, examining their key features and unraveling the extent of their capabilities in intricate detail. Stay tuned. Let's start with the story of missile development. The Avangard hypersonic missiles journey begins with geopolitical tensions sparked by the U.S. withdrawal from the ABM Treaty in 2002. This withdrawal left Russia with little choice but to embark on the development of hypersonic weapons to safeguard Russia's nuclear strength. Flight tests from 2015 to 2016 showcased remarkable speeds and hits, leading to the first successful glide vehicle test in October 2016. President Putin formally declared testing completion and serial production in 2018. A pivotal flight test in December 2018 highlighted Avangard's unprecedented speed, rendering it invulnerable to interception. Diplomatically, the U.S. inspection group observed the system in 2019 under New START treaty procedures. Avangard officially entered combat duty in December 2019, signaling its operational readiness. Recognition of Herbert Efremov in 2020 symbolizes significant contributions to this cutting-edge hypersonic systems development. On November 16, 2023, Russia's defense ministry showcased the loading of the highly anticipated Avangard nuclear-capable missile into a silo. This move comes in the wake of Moscow's withdrawal from the global agreement prohibiting nuclear weapons testing just 2 weeks ago. The Russian Ministry of Defense, affirming this development, released a video through the military news agency Zvezda, showcasing strategic ICBMs fitted with the hypersonic glide vehicle Avangard. The installation took place at a facility in the Orenburg province, situated in southwest Russia near Kazakhstan. Footage released alongside the announcement showcased the intricate loading process of an intercontinental ballistic missile into a shaft launcher using a hydraulic mechanism from a specialized transport loading unit, with these complex operations spanning several hours. The footage portrays the Avangard glide vehicle detaching from the rocket as it approaches its target, demonstrating an impressive capacity for sharp maneuvers at hypersonic speeds, reaching up to 27 times the speed of sound, or 34,000 kilometers per hour. The entire process, from the transportation of the ICBM to the launch silo to its gradual vertical positioning and subsequent descent into the shaft, is meticulously illustrated. Notably, Moscow had previously deployed the first Avangard-equipped missile at the same Orenburg facility in 2019. The Russian military underscores the strategic importance of this weaponry, emphasizing its near impenetrability to missile defense systems. They view it as a linchpin in maintaining a nuclear status quo that ensures mutually assured destruction. But what key capabilities did it bring to the table? Let's have a closer look. As of 2022, 6 Avangard units were reportedly in active service. Its standout feature is the hypersonic capabilities, enabling it to fly at extraordinary speeds ranging from Mach 20 to Mach 27. This exceptional maneuverability stems from its unique design and aerodynamic features, characterized by a short wedge shape. Deployed on the RS-18AI CBM, NATO reporting name SS-19 Stiletto, the Avangard is expected to see integration with the R-28 Sarmat or Satan II ICBM in the future. With a claimed range exceeding 6,000 kilometers, the Avangard is equipped with a weight of approximately 2,000 kilograms. Its payload flexibility allows for the inclusion of either a 2-megaton nuclear warhead or a conventional high-explosive warhead. During deployment, the Avangard undergoes a carefully orchestrated process. Initially, it is carried to a suborbital altitude of about 100 kilometers by the carrier missile before being released. Upon release, it enters a cruise mode, re-enters the atmosphere, and accelerates to hypersonic speeds. This intricate design, marked by a reliance on gravity and aerodynamic features for velocity maintenance, contributes to Avangard's stealth and maneuvering capabilities. Following the boost phase, the weapon adopts a non-ballistic trajectory towards its target. This characteristic distinguishes hypersonic weapons like Avangard from traditional ICBMs, providing less predictable flight paths and post-launch signatures that pose challenges for detection, tracking, and engagement by missile defense systems. Together, these elements embody Avangard's advanced and sophisticated capabilities. In a broader geopolitical context, tensions between Russia and Western nations have escalated, particularly in light of the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. This war has strained relations between Moscow and Washington, bringing them to their lowest point since the Cuban Missile Crisis in 1962. Against this backdrop, Russian President Vladimir Putin formally signed a law on November 2nd, withdrawing the ratification of the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty, or CTBT, a pact that had restricted nuclear testing for several decades. Despite the growing friction, the New START remains the last standing bilateral nuclear weapons agreement between the United States and Russia. President Joe Biden and Putin extended this treaty until February 4th, 2026, in February 2021. However, on February 21st, Russia opted to suspend its participation in the New START. Despite the controversy surrounding Russia's withdrawal from the CTBT and the display of new nuclear-capable missiles on state TV, Moscow argued that it was taking steps to achieve parity with the U.S. Russia, also stated that it would refrain from nuclear testing as long as the U.S. did the same. The question of whether this deployment signifies an impending World War III remains speculative, but what is undeniable is that it demands a nuanced and collaborative approach to international relations, arms control, and diplomatic initiatives. What do you think of this current development? Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment, and thanks for watching.